Getty Images has made organizing your selections even easier with boards that save the images and videos you choose. Once you've started your search and find images you like, using boards is a powerful way to help organize visual content for your project. By searching and adding images or videos to a board, you can save, collect, curate, and create your own collections that are easy to access whenever you need them. To create a new board, click the board icon on the top right. From here, select Create Board. Enter in a name and click Create. You can then click Boards and select your newly created board, which will open the board tray. Now, with this new board active, you can click the Save to Board icon that appears when you hover over your selected images. They will be automatically added to the board. You can easily access the most recent boards created. Recent boards will appear in the drop-down along with the option to view all your boards when you click on the icon on the top right. If you wish to save an image or video to a different board than the one that's currently active, you can do so by hovering over the image and board icon and selecting the caret drop-down. This will open up a list view of all your boards. From here, you can select the board you wish to save to, search your list of boards, or create a new one. The board tool is available across all visual content that you want to search. Along with creative and editorial images, it also allows you to add video content to your board in the same way as imagery, so you can view both your video and image selections all in one place. When you're done, you can enter the board view by clicking Go to Board. From here, you have the option of downloading multiple images at once or even moving images from one board to another. If you choose, you can share this board with those on your team for discussion and review. Click the Share button where you are presented with two options. You can copy the Invite Collaborators code and send it to those people you want to access and edit the board. When you invite collaborators to the board, multiple users can add or remove selected images for your project. Simply share the Invite Collaborators link with users and let them search. Or if you prefer to send a read-only version, you can just send the Share This Board link, ideal for external marketing agencies or partners. You can add notes to any image by clicking the Notes icon beneath the image. You can also add notes for the entire board by clicking the Board Notes icon in the top left. Additionally, you can create a contact sheet by selecting the images you want and using the print feature. These are great ways for teams to collaborate and make decisions ensuring the best images are being used for your projects.